He's got Charlie on his back, trying to pull him up. You two have just finished dinner. Can you at least wait 15 minutes before you go stupid?
It's just even looking, going, what?
He's on his back again, see?
Wait, Charlie!
He's a marionette. I believe the pantomime is the pissed off Tickle.
It's number
17 on my bucket list. Tell you another important item I just struck off that list. Protecting my family with serious.
Has he still got him? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, no, he's still got him.
I know that my family don't have to sweat the future costs when I finally bow out. With New Zealand seniors, you guaranteed acceptance up to $30,000.
Yeah, see, yep, cool. Yeah, is he not taking the bait? Is he not taking the bait anymore, Tickle? Is he not taking the bait?
Was he just teasing, Tickle? Was it that Charlie really did catch you because he was teasing?
And he's got a cupcake now.
Oh, cupcakes are better than Tickles, eh?
Up, moving towards the cage again. Yeah, stay out. Was that just to draw him out so you could get a sandwich? Which is right there. He's got your Pokeball. Oh.
What? Charlie's got the Pokeball?
Yeah, he's right there. Oh, wrong bait. Yeah, fishing's all about patience. Oh, and Charlie's jumping into his box.
You're just trying to find something, Charlie, to catch him with? Or to poke him with?
We're going to go with poke.
Ishta.
What you got?
A weapon.
You got a chopstick, eh, buddy? What are you going to do with the chopstick?
Are you going to get him?
Yeah, you.
Are you going to get him?
By him, we mean you.
We should tie that around. We should tie some of the fishing line rope around that.
If you want to get it.
Not right now.
Oh, Tickle was going to make an attempt for the sandwich. But Charlie's still coming out. He's sweeping it away with the stick.
Well done, Charlie!
Oh, you.
Got my vote on that, Charlie. Well done. Don't throw the shit at you, bro.
Oh, he's going to make another attempt for the sandwich.
Oh, not right now, dude. That's dumb.
He's coming out with something bigger. Jesus Christ. See, we told you, Charlie uses weapons. The chopstick didn't work, so he went and got a back scratcher that was a back scratcher.
Yes, was a back
Was.